All right, boys and girls, today we're starting with a monster drawing. We're going to be using all kinds of lines in our monster drawing. But let's get our materials together first. So you need something to write with, usually a pencil or a crayon. The sheets that you have here would be very, very helpful, where we can add the loopy line and we can add the castle top. So let's put in loopy and castle. Over, up, and down. There we go. There we are. So this is nice to have around so that you can refer to your different kinds of lines. So we're going to make a monster. We need our line sheet. We need our piece of paper. We will be painting, so we'll need some water for the watercolors right here. Get those ready for us. And like I said, a crayon or a dark colored pencil. I would not use, absolutely not use markers this time around. If you use markers on this and the water, they'll bleed together and it kind of makes a mess. So you kind of have to be careful with that. Alrighty, so here we go. You have to consider this great big monster face. What you're going to do is do the top of the monster. So I'm going to take a zigzag line right there. And I'm going to make that my monster fur. This is the top of my monster. And I start from, I don't know, right about almost at the middle. And I do great big zigzags. I'm doing great big zigzags for the top of my monster. There we go. And I ended a little lower on one side, and that works out. Then I have to think, I need a mouth. Do I want a happy mouth? Do I want a sad mouth? What kind of mouth do I want? So I could use curved lines, I could use wavy lines, but whatever I do, I need to go from one side to the other because this is a really big monster. I used zigzag. I don't think the dashed line, that's not going to work out very well for us. Ooh, scalloped line could. And then I could add some teeth, or that could be just the edge of his mouth. Yeah, dotted line, nope. Dotted line's not going to work very well. Well, let's go ahead. Oh, I know, I'm going to do wavy line. So I'm going to start right about here and go wavy line. There he is. There's my mouth. Do you see it? Here's the top of his head. Here's his mouth. And I need something near the bottom. Or maybe I could do some teeth. Ooh, you know what? I can do a little tooth here. Oh, look at that. There's my one-toothed monster. And then I'm going to do some curved lines. I'm just going to do a regular old curved line here. So that's just my monster head. Oh, there he is. Now, of course, I need a nose. Oh, I know. I can use a spiral line for a nose. Oh, that'll be cute. Oh, yeah, look at that. Now we need some eyes. I think I'm just going to use great big ovals. Great big ovals. There we are. And let's do a little part on the inside. Oh, I'm going to make him look, I was going to say left. I think that's your left. Yep, we're going to have him look left. There he is. Oh, and I can add some eyebrows too. I can use a scalloped line for that. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, ba-doop, ba-doop. Oh, there you are. Oh, look how many lines we used for our silly monster. Doesn't he look fabulous? He really does. All right, so I think I'm ready to paint. What do you think? I think I'm ready. Maybe I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a very close zigzag line there. Yep. Oh, I like that for now. All right. Well, that one's a little colored in more. Let's get them kind of even. There we are. All right.